part 2 of my Dollar Tree projects of the day. I'm gonna put these baskets on the wall. Let's do it. First, 2 faces taped. I got inspirations from a friend on TikTok, and I think she got the inspiration from another friend as well. Collecting all the basket and stuff for the wall decorations. Look, just stick it right in because these are really light. How cute is that? Now this one, is so easy to add on, and it's just make the house more cozy. It's so cute. What do you think? Every time I go somewhere I see these baskets, I just get them. Eventually this wall gonna get all filled up.